Are you being annoyed by the Cshell Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before we get started with Cshell Library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Cshell Library, the Compositor Shell Cshell Library. It manages localized UI element compositions and animations across different Windows device form factors. It is part of the Localized universal shell architecture that ensures consistent localized UI behavior on tablets and desktops. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. If you see a Cshell Library DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Localized application shell interface subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Cshell library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Cshell Library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If you're addressing Cshell library inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. To keep Cshell library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.